This is part 2 since I don't know what happened, but I accidentally cut off part 1. So let's continue where we left off, guys. Shit. There's no more nails, is there? This is so train, baby. Oh, Jesus, yo, that's not a battery, man. That's lithium. I feel my hands burning. I don't think that's safe. Cut the red wire if you want to go home. Okay, I cut the wires. This iPod will never work again. Time to unscrew all the screws. Come on, why you not? I feel so. What the fuck am I listening to? What the hell up, Calvin here? G5 sitting on the runway. I call that bitch Beyonce. Call that bitch Jay-Z's lips. Some real niggas on their feet, boy. Anything for me, boy. Yep. YMCMB, boy. Young Tucha, fresh as devil. Rest in peace, boy. Y'all hang. I ride off with Mac, man. You niggas drink that champagne. It's the Birdman. White man. Yo, hype man. Let's roll out. Come roll out. I gotta. Grow out. This is the camera. This thing right here is the camera. Come on. It's attached to something. Nigga, this a Wonder One. I feel like a retarded engineer. I'm only good at breaking shit. Need a bad red bone to come get my massage. I'm talking heavyweight. I'm in better shape. Never safe. I went to New Orleans for the weekends and I was safe all the time. So, Lil Wayne, I don't feel you there, bro. Can I say success? Yo, my thumb is burning. I don't think this is safe anymore. But I gotta do this for you guys that I don't even know. But all of this just to make one iPod. They made this touchscreen strong. But I cut that bitch in half. They made the home screen. Okay. I call this Piercing Strike. Damn, will wake my mom up, man. This piece of shit iPod won't break. Two chains, I'm smoking on that gas. Like to be on Cinemax, smoking on that gas. Like to be on Cinemax movies. Bigger tits and a bigger ass. Not I. That Popeyes. My archives. Part-time. Okay, they made this screen strong, so just so you guys know, this screen will crack, but it will never crack. You feel me? Let's find out. Never mind, it cracks. It will crack like a banana. And my my car and yo renting my swisher. I miss you. Head game so vicious. All I get is cheese, like I'm taking pictures, yeah. I said, feel less I'm with you. If I take you out of the picture, I know real niggas gonna miss you. No lie, no lie, no lie, yeah, yeah. No lie, yeah, yeah. Real niggas say word. He ain't never told no lie. He ain't never told no lie. Real niggas say word. He ain't never told no lie. He ain't never told no lie. He ain't never told no lie. That's the thing I don't do. 2 chains and champagne, you want true, that's true enough. Fools list like area in my office, my toll bus. She brought food, she got fucked. She think I'm the realest. I said, damn, make 2 of us. All that lit like, what's her name? I stabbed the battery. Just never fucked again. She can have a Grammy, I still treat her as like a nominee. Don't know what that pussy like, so one time. Well, I disassembled the fuck out of that iPod. Thank you guys for watching. If you did watch the whole thing, if you did, please thank you. If you didn't, oh well, you at least gave me a view.